When a line intersects two or more lines, the angles formed at the intersection points create special angle pairs. We're about to see some examples and definition for transversal, interior angles, and exterior angles. Starting with transversal. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more coplanar lines at distinct points. So in the diagram, the transversal T intersects both lines L and M, forming 8 different angles. Interior angles. The interior angles lie inside of the two lines that are intersected by the transversal. In this case, those are lines L and M. So angles 3, 4, 5, and 6 are considered interior angles. Similarly, exterior angles lie outside of L and M. Angles 1, 2, 7, and 8 are exterior angles. Pairs of the 8 angles have special names, as suggested by their positions. Alternate interior angles are non-adjacent interior angles that lie on opposite sides of the transversal. So in the diagram at the right, 4 and 6, and also 3 and 5, are pairs that form alternate interior angles. Same side interior angles are interior angles that lie on the same side of the transversal. In this case, we can see 4 and 5 and 3 and 6 are same side interior angles. Corresponding angles lie on the same side of the transversal T and in corresponding positions. Angles 1 and 5 are corresponding angles. Notice how, with respect to their group of 4 angles created by an intersection, they're both in what we might call the top left position. So they correspond. 4 and 8, we might call the bottom left position, but relative to their angles, they're corresponding. 2 and 6, similarly, top right, and then 3 and 7 would be the bottom right in each of their respective groups. Alternate exterior angles are non-adjacent exterior angles that lie on opposite sides of the transversal. In this case, 1 and 7 form alternate exterior angles, as do 2 and 8. Problem 2, identifying an angle pair. And this one's multiple choice. Which is a pair of alternate interior angles? Is it angles 1 and 3? No, angle 1 is an exterior angle, so that pair can't be alternate interior. B says 6 and 7. Those are on the same side of the transversal. So those are interior angles, but they'd be same side interior angles. C, angles 2 and 6. Those are both interior angles, and they're alternate because they're on opposite sides of our transversal R. So 2 and 6 are our alternate interior angles. Just for good measure, let's check D, angle 4 and angle 8. Those are alternate, but they're both exterior angles. So those would be alternate exterior angles, leaving us with our correct choice of C. Your turn. What are 3 pairs of corresponding angles?